Welcome back to the channel. If you've ever said something in English and people looked at you like, "What did you just say?" Then congratulations. This podcast is for you.
Oh, yes. Today we're talking about English mistakes. Not boring textbook mistakes, but the real, funny, sometimes embarrassing mistakes we all make in real life.
And don't worry, we're not here to judge you, because honestly, we've made all of them.
All of them. Repeatedly. In public.
All right, let's start with mistake number 1, the classic one.
Ah, yes. I am agree.
No! Why do we all say I am agree?
Because in many languages, agree feels like an adjective. But in English, you don't be agree, you just agree.
So it's not I am agree. It's simply I agree.
Shorter, cleaner, less embarrassing.
Okay, mistake number 2, and this one is everywhere.
Let me guess. How does it look?
Yes, that one.
Listen carefully, friends. In English, you don't ask, how does it look? You ask, how does it look?
Because does already carries the verb. So is has to go. We're not inviting extra words to the party.
English is like, too many verbs? Nope, one is enough.
I remember once I said, "How does it look?" And the other person smiled politely, but I knew.
That polite smile is the universal sign of, I understand you, but no.
All right, mistake number 3. And this one is dangerous.
Very dangerous.
Open the light.
Oh no, not again.
In English, we don't open lights. We turn them on.
Because lights are not doors. You can't knock on them.
So remember, turn on the light. Turn off the light.
Here's the important thing, though. These mistakes are normal.
Making mistakes means you're speaking, and speaking means you're learning.
The only real mistake is staying silent.
And we're just getting started.
Oh, yes. Next, we'll talk about mistakes that can totally change the meaning of what you say.
Some of them are very awkward.
So stay with us.
Okay. Now we're getting serious, or embarrassingly serious.
This is the part where people say, oh no, I say that too.
Exactly. These are the mistakes people make every single day and don't even know they're wrong.
Or worse, they know it's wrong, but they keep saying it anyway.
Let's start with a classic disaster. I am agree.
Wow, that sentence has ruined friendships.
Listen carefully, everyone. You do not say, I am agree. You say, I agree.
Because agree is not a feeling like happy or tired.
You don't say, I am agree, the same way you don't say, I am understand.
Imagine saying, I am understand you, bro.
Okay, next one. He told me that you were coming yesterday.
Time explosion.
Too many times fighting each other.
If you say yesterday, your verb must go to the past.
Correct version. He told me that you were coming yesterday.
English loves consistency. English hates chaos.
And that sentence is chaos.
This one hurts my soul. I did a mistake. So close, yet so far.
You don't do a mistake in English. You make a mistake.
Because mistakes are created, like bad decisions.
Exactly.
Oh, this one. Please open the light.
Where? Where is the light door?
You turn on the light. You don't open it.
And you turn off the light. You don't close it.
Unless the light is a box, which it's not.
Now let's talk about something less wrong, but very boring.
Very, very boring?
Exactly. I'm very tired. It's very hot. It's very good.
English has better words.
Instead of very tired, exhausted. Instead of very hot, boiling. Instead of very good, amazing.
Your English instantly sounds smarter.
This is the biggest trap. People think English works like their language.
It doesn't.
Example. From my heart, thank you.
Sweet, but not natural.
English prefers simple. Thank you so much. Or, I really appreciate it.
Oh, classic classroom moment.
Teacher trauma.
You don't say, "How do you call this?"
You say, what do you call this?
Small change, big difference.
This one is not grammar. This is mindset.
People stay silent because they fear mistakes.
But guess what?
Native speakers make mistakes too.
All the time.
The only real mistake is not speaking.
If this part made you say, oh no, I do that.
Congratulations, you're learning.
Because awareness comes first.
Fluency comes later.
And confidence comes from practice.
Quick question for you. Which mistake do you make the most?
And be honest. Did you say, I am agree today? In the next part, we're going even deeper.
More mistakes, more funny examples.
And some mistakes that sound polite, but are actually wrong.
Stay with us.
You're doing better than you think. Okay. Welcome back. Now we're entering the danger zone of English mistakes. The kind of mistakes that make people smile and make you want the ground to open and swallow you.
Oh, yes. These are the mistakes where you say something in English and suddenly everyone is too quiet. Too quiet.
Let's start with a classic tragedy. People want to say, I feel bored. But instead they say, I am boring.
Congratulations! You didn't say you're bored. You said you are the reason boredom exists.
You didn't say, I'm bored. You said, I ruin parties.
So remember, I am bored equals I feel bored. I am boring equals please don't invite me again.
Another funny mistake. People fall in love with the word very.
I am very, 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 very tired. I like it very, very, very much.
At this point, English is crying. English has other words.
Instead of very tired, say exhausted. Very big, say huge. Very happy, say thrilled.
Use one strong word, not 5 weak ones holding hands. This one is everywhere.
This one is everywhere.
In English, we don't say that. We say, what is it called?
How is it called sounds like the name has a personality.
Yes, like, how is your name feeling today? This mistake is sneaky. People translate word by word from their own language.
And English says, nope, that's illegal.
Example, open the light.
In English, turn on the light.
You don't open the light. It's not a door.
This one is dangerous. People want to say, I'm full, but they say, I'm fat.
No.
You didn't finish dinner. You insulted yourself.
Remember, I'm full equals I ate enough. I'm fat equals therapy appointment needed. This one causes chaos.
Especially when you're talking about someone's boss or partner.
One small word, big consequences.
Take a second, breathe, choose wisely.
Here's the truth. Making mistakes is normal. Making funny mistakes is even better.
Because you remember them, and you never repeat them again.
Fluent speakers aren't perfect. They're just not afraid.
All right, get ready, because in the next part,
We're talking about mistakes that happen in real conversations, at work, on the phone, on dates.
Yes, especially on dates.
Stay with us. It's about to get even more embarrassing.
Okay. Before you feel too confident, let's talk about the mistakes that sound polite in your head, but crazy in real life.
Yes, these are the mistakes that make native speakers pause, blink, and say, "Sorry, what?"
Mistake number 1. I am agree. No, just no.
English is not your ex. You don't add extra things. It's I agree. Short, clean, powerful.
Mistake number 2. A classic embarrassment. How old are you? To your boss.
Congratulations, you just made it awkward. In English, context matters. Sometimes you should say, "How long have you been working here?"
Mistake number 3. I am boring.
No, you are not boring. You are bored. Unless you really are boring.
Mistake number 4. Emotional damage. I will try my best. Maybe.
That maybe destroys everything. In English, confidence is part of the message. Say it or don't say it, but don't kill it.
And the final mistake? The legendary one. Open the light.
English speakers don't open lights. They turn them on. Lights are not doors.
Here's the truth. Real English is not perfect English. It's clear, confident, and human.
You don't need big words. You need the right words, used naturally.
If this episode made you laugh or think, hit like.
And if you want to stop making these mistakes in real life, subscribe to this channel.
We post English for real humans, not robots, not textbooks.
See you in the next episode. And remember, mistakes mean you're learning.
Hey, if you laughed, learned something new, or said, "Oh wow, I make that mistake too," then do me a favor. Hit the like button because it really helps this podcast grow.
And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next episode. We still have more funny mistakes and real-life English coming for you. Trust me, you don't want to miss those.
Thanks for listening, thanks for your support, and I'll see you in the next episode.